Welcome to a new world of money, the world of cryptocurrency. Picture this: money that isn't physical, but digital. Money that uses complex codes to provide security and operates without the need of a central authority, like a bank. This is what we call cryptocurrency. Some of the stars of this new world include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. These digital currencies are paving the way for a financial revolution. So in essence, cryptocurrency is digital or virtual money, secure and decentralized. Now you might be wondering, how do we trade or store these cryptocurrencies? Well, let's dive right into it. Cryptocurrencies are traded on platforms, somewhat like digital marketplaces. To start, you need to choose a platform that works for you. Then, you're going to fund your account. This could be with traditional currency or other cryptocurrencies. Once your account is topped up, you're ready to place an order and start trading. But where do you store these digital assets? That's where wallets come into play. There are two types: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are online and convenient for quick transactions, while cold wallets are offline and provide an extra layer of security. Just remember, trading and storing cryptocurrencies involves choosing the right platform and wallet. It's not just about buying low and selling high, but also about protecting your digital investments. So, trading and storing cryptocurrencies involves choosing the right platform and wallet. But where can you use these cryptocurrencies? You might be surprised to learn that these digital currencies, once intended for daily transactions, have infiltrated various sectors of our economy. From tech gadgets to luxury goods, automobiles to insurance policies, a wide range of companies now accept cryptocurrencies as a valid form of payment. Even if a retailer doesn't directly accept crypto, don't fret. Cryptocurrency debit cards bridge this gap, allowing you to shop at your favorite stores with ease. Cryptocurrencies are slowly but surely becoming a part of our daily transactions. Exciting, isn't it? Are you ready to step into the world of cryptocurrency? This revolutionary digital currency is not just a trend, it's a whole new way to think about money. So why not start your journey in this thrilling world? If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more educational content. Also, comment below which cryptocurrency you're interested in. Happy investing!